Hey, this is Cliff Johnson from E11 Group. I'm the team and marketing manager over here. And in our last video, we talked about deleting users and how that was a little bit tricky. I'm going to show you why. Let's head over to WordPress. Okay, so here we are in the WordPress admin, and we've already come over here to the user section. And you can see over here on the right how it lists the number of posts this person has made. And that's really, really important when you go to delete someone. If, for instance, I was to delete myself from here, I'm going to show you. I'm going to hit delete. It's going to say, you specified this user for deletion. What should be done with the content owned by this user? And if you choose the first one and say delete all content, what's going to happen is every single page and post that that person has created is going to be deleted. And it's pretty much unrecoverable. I don't believe it ends up in your trash. So at the very least, you're going to mess up your entire website. And at the worst, you're going to mess up your website really, really bad. You're going to have to go from backup. So the easiest thing to do is just to choose another person and attribute all that content to them. And what will happen then is everything that that person has been responsible for creating will be moved over to that other user. Your other option, if you don't want to mess with this, and I understand why you might not want to, is actually just go into that individual user. We'll choose good old Test Johnson here. Change their role to a subscriber, and then set a new password for them. Now you're going to want to save this once you're done. And what that'll do is it makes it so that person can't log in anymore because they don't know their password any longer. You could also change their email address if you wanted, just to make sure they couldn't reset it. But even if they can, they're only a subscriber, so they don't have any power to actually do anything. They can still log into your website, but they can't see anything. And as long as this isn't someone you have to worry about, that might be the safest way if you're concerned about accidentally deleting content. It's something that I've done before. It's not the most secure way to do things, but it is definitely better than accidentally deleting all your content if you're worried about it. So really, the best way to do it, like I said, is to go in and choose to attribute that content over to another user. But if that makes you nervous, there are other options. If you have questions, you can always visit us at e11group.com. We're happy to answer any questions you have. Just be careful and don't delete people you don't mean to.